First of all, I'm so very proud of the way you guys played. Well, this whole tournament, the last several weeks. Okay, and I think, you know, the play, that last play in regulation of Quincy's is kind of, you know, amplifies or just signifies what the season's been all about.
Welch has it. 3 seconds. 2. Layup is Thomas.
Now, with that being said, that game's over. You're all, as the saying goes, okay, you're only as good as your next game, not your last game. So we gotta come and play as hard, as smart as we did, as we've done every single game this tournament. Okay, we gotta step into this game. We gotta be focused. We gotta play hard, we gotta play smart, we gotta play as a team. They're scrappy. There's no quit in them. great feeling. I'm just very proud of these young ladies. We've had a tough season like many schools, not with the COVID, with the injuries. I mean, we've just had, we've battled so much adversity, and our kids just keep pushing through, and they never quit. You know, our kids have just been great role players. Allie has confidence in her team. Our team has confidence in her. Obviously, we're looking for her to take care of the basketball the majority of the time. Once we figured out that Allie didn't have to do every single thing and everybody needed to contribute, we've been playing a lot better. What she's meant to this program over the last 4 years is, probably can't put it into words, but she just makes everybody else so much better. And whether it's scoring, rebounding, defense, I mean, she was all over the place tonight, relentless on both offense and defense, and to step up and hit the big free throws, because she's got a lot of pressure on her. I mean, she's a Miss Basketball candidate, and for a kid like that to step up in big moments, in big games like today, speaks volumes for her. So she's just a great kid, both on and off the court, and I think every kid in Brownsburg looks up to her, you know, when they come watch her play, and her teammates, most importantly.
It felt amazing because, like, I've been waiting my whole life for this, and the fact that I was hurt and couldn't play, and then be able to play in this game felt amazing. I'm so proud because they work hard every day at practice and out of practice, and it just shows in these games.
Feels pretty good, especially after these couple 3 years. Very proud of Quincy, Novalee, Kaylin, everybody. Just everyone stepped up today. Ramaya, Maya, everybody. Kira, just they stepped up. Quincy saved my butt on that block, and Kaylin stepped up with the threes. Ramaya stepped up with being on number 33. Just everyone overall just did really well. We only have 2 more games. 2 more.